All right. Do I gotta leave you a camera? Looked like it had some nice color to it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Oh, oh my. I'm over here trying to film an intro and you're hooking up. Well, me and Paul are exploring some new water, hoping to find some nice brookies. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Guess what I got?
Fish on. I might even put this one in the net. Pretty good sized brook. Hey. Easy come, easy go. There he goes. Fish on. One's a little bigger. Not much, but a little bit. Nice looking fish. Kind of swallowed it almost. Ooh, sharp teeth, but I got it. Thank you, buddy. I'm back at the net. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Fish on. Oh, got some energy. Hey, you gotta come under the bridge. Oh, I just slipped this one. I'm gonna try not to net him if I can. Whoa. Not in bad for another fish. Ooh. This one's missing a fin up front. Thank you, buddy. Have a good one. Well, this is a good day for exploring. I can say that I've fished this section of river many times. However, I don't know if I've ever fished under this bridge. Good day to get out with Paul. Find some new places. Catch some fish. Another one. Hey, I caught not a trout. I got a fall fish. A big one. Big old fat fall fish. Thank you, buddy. Ooh, this one's got some as good as the other ones were. Let's see, we gotta get down here a little bit. Another one right in the lip. This one's got some good size. You know what? I'll take another step over here so I can trust my feet. There we go. Over here. Another gorgeous fish. This is the same fish I just caught with no fin? No way. Hungry guy. Ooh, got some nice blue halos on him though. Hey, they're down here. This guy was hungry. This one might take my finger off. Maybe not. Another easy release. Thank you, buddy. Well, I owe half of my success to Paul today because he gave me this kind of natural color Berkeley worm, and that's just destroying them over here. There's just brookies stacked right in front of me. I can't even see them, but every cast it's been one so far, pretty much. Fish on. Oh, gentleman's release. It's right over there. Throw him right back into where he came from. Thank you, buddy. Fish on. Come on over here, guy. Another nice one. That might be the biggest one of the day. Hard to say. Oh, I needed a shower anyway. Nice looking fish. Right in the side of the jaw. Another easy release. Thank you, buddy. You gonna let me catch everyone down here or what? Now they're getting smaller. One just rose under the bridge too. Oh, fall fish. Another fall fish. Thank you, buddy. They're aggressive over here too. They must be hungry. As soon as it hits the water. Yeah. Look at all brookies. Couple of fall fish. Oi. Another one to the tally. Oh, this one was aggressive. Not a brookie. Look at this dace. Ugh. Woo! Yikes! Yikes! Cut the horns and everything. Yeah, I'll let you go. If you give me my bait back. There you go. Oh, another decent sized brookie. That one's been chased by a bird. These ain't so bad. Every cast. Take your time. This one's got some nice colors. I promise these are different fish too. Oh yeah. Well, I guess I got my squats in for the day. Barely lipped him. Another nice one. Thank you, bud. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Oh,
Here's the big one.
oh my. I'm over here trying to film an intro and you're hooking up.
Guess what I got?
You got the brown in here, didn't you?
Brown alcohol.
Need a net?
If you don't mind netting them, I'll
Sure.
bring it right up there. Okay.
And scoop. Right on. Wow.
Nice. Thank you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Wow. Might be the big one for the day.
I'll take whatever I can get.
Sure. You want me to let him off for you? You got it?
I got it. Let me see if I can get him out of the net in front of the camera.
There you go.
Okay, put him back in the net.
Yeah.
Grab his lower jaw. Unhook that from the upper jaw.
I left my forceps up in the car too. A couple of these brookies have almost swallowed these things. I didn't lose a finger though. Yeah, there you go.
Beautiful. Thank
Nice.
you very much.
Look, he's got hit in the head too, so with something. Maybe a
Yep.
bird or... His jaw's in the net. Come on. There you go. Nice.
That's nice.
Yes, it is. Of course. Thank you. I owe half my success to you today. You down there, but oh, another one. Cookies. You want me to grab them for you? Oh. Until next time.
Grow. Grow. About 20 more inches.
Yeah, right. Paul and I kind of found a brookie honey hole and he managed to pull a pretty nice brown trout out of there. And thanks for watching as always. Until next time, First Cast Media, hoping to catch you in the next one.
Exactly.